Oh, there you go. Blur. Anytime I get online, there's always going to be some type of stalker activity that takes place, i.e., some type of noise is going to begin. It's always the same type of noise. It's always coming from the same areas. The sounds are being looped. They are. They are already recorded, and then they just, loop them over and over again and play it over and over again. As you can see, right there in the fence, you can see all of that. See all of that EMF? This is a very good camera that I'm using. It's got, excellent zoom on it, so it's going to pick up a lot. And I am definitely going to record as much as I possibly can. So bring it on. Look at that. That is not normal. Not at all. If you're seeing anything like this in your immediate area, living space, believe me, you're being tracked. You're being stalked. And as you can see, the wind has picked up. My little drone friend is gone, but not before I captured his ass on this camera. And yep, you're going on YouTube, right along with the rest of your raggedy ass, corrupt buddies. And yeah, I don't mind saying what I'm saying. Anyone who doesn't like it, you know what? Keep it moving. Okay, I've got work to do. Bye-bye.